Imagine a single equation that rewrote the universe, EAMC2, and a mind that questioned the very nature of reality. That mind belonged to Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity and a pioneer in the philosophy of science. His ideas transformed physics and challenged how we see the world. In this video, we're exploring his life, his groundbreaking theories, and his philosophical legacy. Ready to dive into the mind of a genius? Let's go! If you love science or history, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's get started! Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, and later became a U.S. citizen. He's best known for the theory of relativity, which revolutionized physics, and for his musings on the philosophy of science. With his wild hair and quirky personality, he became a global icon. But beyond the fame, Einstein was a deep thinker who reshaped our understanding of space, time, and knowledge itself. Let's dive into his story. First, let's look at the world that shaped this extraordinary mind. Einstein grew up in the late 19th century, a time of rapid scientific progress. Electricity was transforming society, and physics was dominated by Newton's laws. But cracks were appearing. Experiments like the Michelson-Morley experiment hinted that something was missing. This was the era of the Second Industrial Revolution, with Germany as a hub of innovation. World War I and the rise of Nazism later forced Einstein to flee to the United States. His Jewish heritage and pacifist views made him a target, shaping his life and work. This turbulent backdrop fueled his quest for universal truths. Einstein's early life wasn't a straight path to genius. A slow talker as a child, he excelled in math and physics, teaching himself advanced concepts. After struggling to find a job, he landed at the Swiss Patent Office in 1902, where he had time to think. It was here, in 1905, his miracle year, that he published papers that changed science forever. He later became a professor, won the Nobel Prize in 1921, and moved to Princeton, USA, in 1933 to escape Nazi persecution. Despite his fame, he remained humble, often playing the violin to unwind. His personal life, including 2 marriages and strained family ties, added depth to his character. Did you know Einstein failed his first college entrance exam, but later outshone his professors? His journey from outsider to icon set the stage for his scientific revolutions. Let's explore them. Einstein's theory of relativity comes in 2 parts: special relativity, 1905, and general relativity, 1915. These theories upended Newton's ideas and redefined our universe. Key concepts: special relativity. Time and space are not absolute. They bend depending on speed. EMC2 showed mass and energy are interchangeable, leading to nuclear power. General relativity. Gravity isn't a force but the curvature of space-time caused by mass. This explained Mercury's orbit and predicted black holes. His 1919 eclipse observations confirmed general relativity, making him a global sensation. These ideas didn't just advance physics, they challenged our perception of reality. But Einstein's thoughts went beyond equations. Einstein wasn't just a mathematician, he was a philosopher. He believed science should seek the simplest and most logical explanation, a principle called Occam's razor on steroids. He saw beauty in the universe's order, influencing his approach to discovery. Key ideas: role of imagination. He said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge," emphasizing creative thought in science. Limits of knowledge. Einstein questioned whether we can ever fully understand the universe, sparking debates on the nature of truth. Ethics in science. He warned about the social impact of discoveries, like nuclear weapons, reflecting his pacifism. His philosophical musings, like those in The World as I See It, show a man wrestling with science's bigger picture. How did these ideas shape his legacy? Einstein's work transformed physics. Special relativity led to technologies like GPS, while general relativity underpins modern cosmology. His letter to President Roosevelt in 1939 helped spark the Manhattan Project, though he later regretted it. Philosophically, he influenced thinkers like Karl Popper, who built on his ideas about scientific method. Yet his failure to accept quantum mechanics, famously saying, "God does not play dice," shows his human side. His legacy is a blend of triumph and humility, key moments in Einstein's life. Here are some pivotal moments that defined Einstein, 1905, published Special Relativity and EMC2 in his Miracle Year papers. 15. Completed General Relativity, revolutionizing gravity. 21. Won the Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect, not relativity. 955. Died on April 18th in Princeton, leaving an unfinished unified theory. These milestones trace a life of relentless curiosity and global impact. But what about the man behind the science? Einstein faced criticism. Some physicists, like Niels Bohr, clashed with him over quantum mechanics. His personal life drew scrutiny. His first marriage to Mileva Maric ended amid rumors of collaboration on his early work, though unproven. He was a pacifist who later supported the atomic bomb to stop Hitler, a contradiction he grappled with. His quirky habits, socks without shoes, wild hair, made him relatable, while his intellect made him legendary. Why Einstein matters today. As of September 14, 2025, Einstein's ideas still resonate. Relativity guides space exploration, like the James Webb Space Telescope. His philosophy inspires AI ethics and scientific inquiry. Debates on quantum theory and unified theories keep his questions alive. His call for peace amid nuclear threats echoes in today's geopolitics. Einstein isn't just history, he's a living influence. Did you know his brain was preserved after death to study its genius, though results were inconclusive? Einstein's enduring legacy. Albert Einstein didn't just change physics, he changed how we think. From relativity to his philosophical insights, his work continues to inspire and challenge us. What do you take from his genius? If you enjoyed this dive into Einstein, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe for more. Who's your next scientific hero? Tell us below! What's one Einstein idea that blows your mind? Drop it in the comments. Still curious? Let's answer some questions. Q. Did Einstein invent the atomic bomb? No, but his equation enabled it, and his letter influenced its development. Q. Why didn't he win a Nobel for relativity? The committee found it too controversial. He got it for the photoelectric effect. Q. Where can I learn more? Read Relativity, The Special and General Theory, or The World as I See It.